can see, Rory. Everyone. And I'm tired. But I'm over it. So go ahead. Go. Be together. There's nothing standing in your way now, because I'm out.
Dean!
What?
Stop!
Why?
She told me that she loved me by the water fountain. She told me that she loved me and she didn't love him. And that was really lovely cause it was innocent. But now she's got a cup with something else in it. It's
Hi!
getting kinda
How are
dirty at
you?
10:15. And he was in a hurry to be touching her skin. She's feeling kinda dirty when she's dancing with him. Forgetting what she told me
Because I
by the
love you, you
water
idiot!
fountain. Now he's grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she
Don't say a
shouldn't
word.
listen, and that she should be
I have
with
to
me
go.
by the water fountain.
She likes jazz, doesn't she?
Because it made her feel alone, but at that time she was too young. I was too young. I should have built a home with a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too young. Too young. Too young. Too young. Young. And if she ever goes back to the water fountain, the handle will be broken.
Oh, sorry.
And the
Rory and I are
rest
just friends.
but
Just
the
like you and
handle
Rory
will
were
be
just
open,
friends.
and I'll try to
And hey,
fix it. My heart, it will
look how it
be
turned out for
open,
you.
and I'll try to give it. Now I'm grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And I know that it's only a wish, and that we're not standing by the water fountain. Too young.
Rory wouldn't lie, right?
No, Rory wouldn't lie.
Go. Go home.
No.
Yes, go. You should go.
She can't. I'm not her boyfriend anymore.
I want to say that I'm sorry
For what?
for treating you the way I did, for doing all the things you said I did. I am so, so sorry. And I just hope that someday you won't hate me anymore.
I hope so too.
I should have built a home with a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love, too young. I was too young.
I miss her. Why didn't she love me?